Atlanta, listen when I tell you, I've created my own gas station that turns plastic waste into gasoline, diesel, and jet fuel. What I do is I implement microwaves, which are powered off of solar, to then turn plastic waste into fuel with my machines. It works through the process of this. Plastic is made of petroleum. I want you to think about plastic as the solid form of petroleum, just like how ice is the solid form of water. You put plastic inside of a chamber that has no oxygen or has no air inside of it, and then from there, the microwaves will heat up the plastic and break it apart on a chemical level, but it can't catch on fire because there's no air or no oxygen. And a fire needs air to exist, right? So without air, the plastic instead breaks down back into its petroleum components, into petroleum vapor. And that petroleum vapor can then be condensed back into liquid petroleum, just like how water can turn to steam and condense back into water like rain. We're condensing the crude oil vapor back into crude oil liquid. And now that crude oil liquid is just like crude oil. We can put it in a refiner and then get gasoline, diesel, and jet fuel out of it.